Hi friends, this is going to be your practice for today. So this is going to tie into yesterday's lesson that we did where we had a number and then we were able to tell two different ways that we can write it as tens and ones. So that's what you're going to be doing on this paper. This is going to be a color by answer, okay? So you will see that there are different colors here and then there are numbers next to those colors. So you can work with a partner or you can work by yourself, but you're going to look at the box or the shape down here and you're going to figure out what number that equals. So two tens and two ones. What number does that equal? Then you're going to look up here to see what color to color that shape. So friends, we know that two tens and two ones equals the number 22. So I'm going to look up here and look to see for the number 22. Oh, there it is. So I'm going to color that space purple. So you're going to look through this whole picture and you're going to color each of the different shapes, the colors that are up here. So 28 is going to be black, 39 is going to be skin color, 22 is going to be purple, 25 yellow, 29 blue, that looks like 32 red, 38 white, and 35 green. Okay, so you're going to look here and you're going to color, and at the end you'll have a cool looking picture. I also have an example of an answer sheet for you. So once you are done either working by yourself or working with your partner, you can come to the back table and check to see that you did it correctly, okay? If you didn't, just try to fix it the best you can. When you're done, you can put it on the back table. This is kind of going to act as your exit ticket. So once you're done with this, then you can move along with the rest of your math block, okay? I will see you soon, friends. I'll be back to school after lunch. All right, see you soon.